Hello friends, and welcome to this short presentation. Like you would have seen, we have time and again come out with various products when we've seen the market opportunity has been right. And this time we are coming out with our Aditya Birla Sun Life PSU equity fund, which will be offered to investors from 9th of December. But before that, let me give you a brief outlook in terms of equity markets. How do we see things panning going forward? In the last 2 months, we have seen a good rally in the market, and it's probably would have surprised everybody because the ground reality is still not matching up. But we have seen risk-on trade grow globally. Central banks globally have been providing easy liquidity, and that is what driving the markets. And on the domestic front also, we've seen the government come up with various measures to address the recent slowdown in the economy. And there is a mood of optimism which is coming back into the markets. Having said that, the economic growth still remains fairly weak. Not all the sectors are really gunning. And our expectation remains that the measures taken by the government, both on the fiscal and the monetary side, should help the growth to bottom out in this quarter. And I think in this backdrop, we see that domestic economy should slowly start to move up from here. While the Nifty has done well, there are a few sectors which are looking very expensive. There are other sectors which are at valuations which are well below the long-term average. So when we scan the universe, we saw a clear opportunity in the PSU space, where because of the underperformance in the last 1 or 2 years, there's clearly a value which is emerging over there. And that's what prompted us to really go ahead and think about this PSU fund. If you look at any large economy for the long-term growth, PSUs have played a very important role in terms of development, primarily because they have enough access to capital, prompt regulatory approvals, and expertise in their respective fields, and they tend to dominate the sector where they are. Typically, the PSUs would be in the core sectors of the economy which drive, like in the oil and gas sector, the metal sector, the utilities, and defense. And these are the core of the economy. So as the economic growth recovers, we would see the PSUs playing a very important role over there. And what we have seen is the PSU companies, because of their dominance in the sector, they have continued to enjoy good, strong cash flows. They have high ROEs. And with the recent policy of the government to ask PSUs to pay back a large part of their profit, we've seen the dividend yields in this company has also been going up. So PSUs, by and large, we think provide a lot of stability to the portfolio. Since they are in the core sectors which are growing steadily, we don't see too much volatility in terms of their earnings. And they're good investment opportunities at this point in time because we're seeing that the valuations in a lot of the PSUs, whether it is in the metal space, the oil and gas sector, or the utilities, are at valuations which are possibly decadal lows and provide a huge margin of safety for investors at this point in time. And recently we have seen the government trying to really extract value from the PSUs because to meet the fiscal deficit target. So earlier, while they were adopting the ETF routes, which was kind of decimating the valuations, the government is looking to monetize some of these PSU through strategic divestments, which we think would be a big unlocking of value and will re-rate some of the PSUs. And over a period of time, you would see the potential for re-rating across the PSU pack. The PSUs are by and large companies which are having very dominant position in their space, strong cash flows, high ROE, high dividend yield. And these are the qualities which we think will continue to create value for the shareholders. And at this point in time, when the private sector capex and investments are really lacking, the risk appetite in the private sector is low, PSUs are the only category which are actually going ahead and making the investments which will ensure that they continue to grow at least in line with the broader economy. And we think that it's an opportune time for not only us but for investors to look at this category with a 3-year time horizon, where they should provide steady growth in earnings downside protection because the margin of safety and the valuation comfort what we have, and one can see steady wealth creation in this category. With this objective, we are coming out with this new fund offering, which is the PSU Equity Fund, which we think is a good vehicle for investors looking at stable growth over the next 3-year time frame. And one would categorize this portfolio as moderate risk because we see there is good margin of safety while we are investing in these stocks because of the valuations and because of the stability of some of these companies offer. Let me also wish all our investors in advance Happy New Year. We are entering into 2020, and while last 1.5 years has been challenging for investors because the broader market has not delivered, I think we've seen most of the negatives are behind us, and a lot of the sectors which are underperformed or even categories like mid and small cap, we think they could probably do well going forward. And PSUs are one of the underdogs, which have underperformed, and we see potential upside there for somebody willing to take a 3-year investment view. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.